Hi, Robin with Oxy-Dry, and today I'm cleaning a condo building. I'll just show you how big this is. It's not actually that big. There's 3 floors, and I'm in the process of vacuuming all the floors. This will be the final floor for this building. And there's a stairwell over there to do. I'm actually doing 2 buildings that are identical. So I have 6 floors in total to do, and 4 stairwells, of course. And overall, it's actually not in bad shape, actually. Just over to there. I'll show you what's over here. I believe this carpet is less than 5 years old. I think this actually is the first cleaning. I believe that's what the manager told me. So it's actually not in bad shape. There hasn't anybody messing it up with steam cleaning anyway. Or Cymexing it. We've got a few areas like this to deal with where they're just basically staying. Someone's to build something. And on the 2nd floor, somebody coming in works at a restaurant. I think McDonald's, and greasy track over to their door, which I'll have to deal with. Other than that, it's actually not bad shape. Anyway, vacuuming with my Conquest today, so we'll just do this final section here, and then we'll show you what I picked up. Very noisy. Excellent vacuum for wide area. Really coming up. Plus, have a look. I'm not going to take it off of here though, but I'm up to about there. That's a fair amount that I pulled out of the carpet before actually cleaning it. And as I've been going along, I've been hitting the really obvious spots with some suspend. And I've got a couple of areas upstairs where I'm going to be needing to use my pressure sprayer. The area where the individual's been coming in and out and getting the carpet really greasy, I'll be using the pressure sprayer to spray that a little bit extra before I actually clean it. I think I'll video that. Anyway, there you go. That's using the Hoover Conquest Widetrack. And so I'm done with that now, and I'll be using it again tomorrow. But anyway, I'll let you go. So thanks for watching and have a good day.